Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0776 indicates that the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B has become stuck in the off position. This particular diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is associated with the automatic transmission system, specifically affecting gear shifting capabilities. When this error is registered in the powertrain control module, PCM, it activates a fail-safe function that restricts the transmission from shifting into gears other than second or fourth gears. This is crucial for preventing further damage while maintaining some level of vehicle operation. The primary concern is with the clutch pressure control solenoid, which plays a vital role in regulating hydraulic pressure during gear shifts. A thorough understanding of this component's function is essential for diagnosing issues related to transmission performance. DTC P0776 specifically signifies a failure in the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve B, which is an electronic valve used to control the pressure applied to the automatic transmission's hydraulic clutch. The purpose of this solenoid is to modulate pressure consistency, ensuring smooth gear transitions. It's typically located within the transmission assembly, often integrated into the valve body, which is situated in the lower section of the transmission case. Understanding this component's location and function is significant because issues with the solenoid can lead to improper gear engagement or shifts. If the solenoid is stuck off, it prevents normal operations and limits the vehicle to lower gears, affecting performance and drivability. Addressing this issue promptly will help in maintaining the overall functionality of the transmission system. The causes of DTC P0776 primarily involve mechanical or electrical failures within the automatic transmission system. A common factor is a faulty AT clutch pressure control solenoid itself, which may fail due to wear or internal malfunction. Contamination of the transmission fluid is another critical factor, as metal debris or excessive clutch material can impede the solenoid's functionality. This contamination often leads to a clog, which affects hydraulic pressure regulation. Additionally, an incorrect ATF, automatic transmission fluid level, might result in improper lubrication and cooling, worsening the solenoid's performance. Therefore, it is crucial to perform regular checks on the ATF levels and conditions to avoid these issues. With these potential causes identified, thorough investigation and inspection become necessary steps before confirming the solenoid status. Symptoms related to DTC P0776 can significantly affect the driving experience. A primary indicator is the vehicle's inability to shift into any gears other than second or fourth, essentially restricting drivability and performance. This is a direct result of the fail-safe function triggered by the DTC. Drivers may also experience transmission slipping, where the engine revs without a corresponding increase in vehicle speed, indicating improper engagement of the transmission. Additionally, unusual noises during gear changes, such as grinding or clunking, may also arise, further suggesting that the transmission isn't operating as intended. Such symptoms elevate the urgency for troubleshooting and repair, emphasizing the importance of professional diagnostics and timely fixes to restore functionality. The first step in diagnosing DTC P0776 involves preparing the vehicle by warming up the engine to normal operating temperature. This ensures that the transmission fluid reaches an appropriate viscosity and allows for a more accurate assessment of the fluid conditions. It is crucial to monitor the radiator fan's operation as an indicator of the engine being at the right temperature. Next, checking the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, level is essential. It must be filled to the specified level to function correctly. Any significant coiling of the fluid can indicate leaks, which need to be addressed. Following this assessment, the ATF should be drained through the strainer, which plays a role in filtering contaminants. After draining, inspecting the strainer will reveal whether there are metal debris or excessive clutch material present. If such debris exists, it often points to severe internal transmission damage, requiring replacement. After evaluating the ATF condition, the next step is to verify the problem using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Begin by pressing the engine start-stop button to select the on mode, which allows the HDS to communicate with the vehicle's systems. Following this, it is imperative to clear the stored DTC using the HDS before proceeding. Clearing the code refreshes the system and prepares it for further diagnostics. The next action is to select the clutch pressure control linear solenoid valve B from the miscellaneous test menu in the HDS. Testing this component allows the technician to determine if it is functioning normally or if a fault is present. If the HDS indicates a normal operation, it suggests an intermittent failure that may not require immediate repairs. But if the malfunction duplicates, it confirms that the solenoid valve should be replaced for optimal performance. Final repair verification is the crucial concluding step in resolving DTC P0776. After performing necessary repairs, it's essential to confirm that all repairs were completed effectively. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, retest the system to check for the presence of any DTCs to ensure that the issue has been resolved. It is also important to monitor live data during the test to assess the functioning of the AT clutch pressure control system. Following diagnostics, a drive test should be conducted to observe the vehicle's behavior under various conditions, providing real-time confirmation of the repair's success. The engagement of gears and operational smoothness should be evaluated to ensure the transmission functions as intended. This meticulous approach guarantees not only the resolution of the issue, but also aids in restoring the vehicle's driving performance. Preventive maintenance is an essential aspect of prolonging the life of the automatic transmission and preventing DTC P0776 from recurring. Regular inspections of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, should be scheduled to check for contamination and correct levels, critical in ensuring smooth operation. Changing the ATF at recommended intervals is equally important, as old or degraded fluid can lead to internal wear and solenoid issues. Keeping an eye on the overall performance of the transmission, including shifting patterns and noises, can preemptively alert the driver to problems before they escalate into major issues. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule can mitigate the risk of unexpected failures, helping to ensure reliable performance from the transmission system. Implementing these practices will ultimately save time and money while enhancing vehicle longevity. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0776 and its implications on the Honda Accord's performance is vital for ensuring optimal vehicle operation. The troubleshooting steps outlined, from checking the ATF condition to verifying the function of the solenoid valve, assist in systematically identifying the source of the problem. These diagnostic procedures are crucial not only in resolving the immediate issue, but also in minimizing long-term effects on the transmission system. Additionally, implementing preventive maintenance practices can enhance vehicle longevity and prevent future occurrences of such DTCs. Comprehensive knowledge and proactive measures come together to maintain the vehicle's reliability and operational integrity. Prioritizing timely diagnostics and effective repairs is essential for drivers who wish to sustain their Honda Accord's performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.